this video, we're going to be exploring how we can make this wrapping behavior with CSS Grid. This is a super cool behavior. Like, see, 1 column, 2 columns. Wait, 3 columns? What? 4 columns? And this is all happening with CSS Grid. So to get started, I will delete all of my gritty stuff, and I'll put a display of grid. Make sure to have that. Then I'll put a gap of 1em because I like having gaps. Then I'll put a grid template columns. And if you are using a grid auto flow column, well, this will not work because there is no way to achieve wrapping with grid auto flow, so you'll need to replace it with grid template columns. Or if you were using that from the start, well, you're fine. So then we can say repeat, then we can say auto fit, and then we can say repeat, not repeat, then we can say min max of, for example, 280 pixels, which is the max width you want these cards to get. And then we can put a 1FR, and don't forget your semicolon at the end. And we get this. So what's happening in here that we get this? Well, what's happening is we put a display grid, that's normal. Then we put a gap, that's also normal. Then we put a grid template columns. And in here we are repeating, but normally you would put how many times you want it to repeat. And we say auto fit instead of the number. What does that mean? That means that the computer will automatically calculate how many would fit in. And then we have a min-max to say we put a minimum and a maximum. And the minimum would be the width of our max width of the card. And it's saying if it gets bigger, then get to this next column count. And this is all working with CSS Grid without any flexbox behavior. This is happening. And this is just awesome. You can make whatever card layouts, or that's just an example with this cool trick of grid template columns. So this is just awesome with CSS Grid. Especially it's CSS Grid, not Flexbox. And I don't even know why you would use why Flexbox is more common to achieve this kind of a thing. And that wraps it up for this video, and see you in the next one.